what you doing. Girl, don't stop They'll never understand it. I'm more man for a man that you get hard. Caught in the dark. I'm still staying where I landed, but sometimes I wish that I could walk on water. We're caught in the dark. Some of my dogs ain't get to grow up, but all like the Falcons, I still rose up. We're caught in the dark. I rock, so I bought a chain, but I might get them back. Can't let these people hold up. We're caught in the dark. Part of me, don't let them be a part of me. Shit hard for me, not easy. I go hard, too many reasons. I don't know why you still tripping, but for why I ain't even with you. And for why I take care of my children, fame, money, this shit gets you, this shit kill me. I've been wearing this rap ass for so long, I can't even be real. I can't even talk about it. I like this shit, I keep it in me. Not just saying, but not like how I used to, God forgive me. I love my kids to death, but I move cautious, not with a Jimmy. Why the fuck would I forget? You don't care about my enemy. I'm trying to take this shit away I built to take care of my children, but I can't move out for revenge. Talk to God and get it in. I tell him take my leg before I ever take a stand. Still outside with gun in hand. He keep me warm. I'm trying, but I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying, but I don't know where I'm going. I don't care about if they enemy, no enemy. I beg you for remember me, yeah. Come on in the dark. They'll never understand it. I'm more man for a man, this shit get hard. Come on in the dark. I'm still staying where I landed, but sometimes I wish that I could walk on water. Come in the dark. Some of my dogs ain't get to grow up, but all of them, like the Falcons, I still rose up. Corn in the dark. I rock, so I bought a chain, but I might get them back. Can't let these people hold up. Corn in the dark. Tell you why you tryna go slide. I don't remember how you took you almost